get started. So I'm going to go to Google Class. Right now I'm in 9 Physics G, which means girls, and boys that would be 9 Physics B for boys. I'm going to go to Stream, then I'm going to zoom down to the unit cycle. I'm going to click it, and up will pop up our unit cycle. Boys, you are working on number 3. So number 3, you are looking at accuracy and evaluation. So yesterday, what you did is you made the graph and the line of best fit, and you found out the slope, your slope, from that graph. Now, it's time for you to go one step further. You're going to take that slope and you're going to compare it against the theoretical slope. Theoretical perfect slope. So I'm giving you that the slope of that should have been 0.08, negative 0.08. So that means a slope going like this, not a slope going like this. So next up, you're going to go into accuracy and precision slides. We've already done a lot of the precision ones. Actually, we've done all the precision ones. Precision, remind yourself, is how closely our data is grouped. If I go down, so I'm going to go over to number 4, that's accuracy, and it says how close is the true value to where we are. So the true value for us in this example is negative 0.08. Where am I going to find it? Unit cycle. It's right here. So I now know the true theoretical value, and you've already calculated out your slope, which is your experimental value. I go down one slide, I'm going to get a new equation. This is my accuracy error. This is my percentage error. That's actually how we measure accuracy. You have your experimental slope. That is whatever you found out on your graph. You're going to subtract that by the theoretical. Theoretical is the one I'm giving you. That's the actual. That is, going back, that is negative 0.08. Again, so you've got experimental minus theoretical divided by theoretical. And then you've got these big lines. These big lines represent absolute value. So if you have a negative inside of here, it now all of a sudden becomes a positive. We take all of that, we multiply by 100, and we have our percentage error. Now what does this tell us? This tells us our accuracy in terms of percentage. So remember, our accuracy is how close we are to the true or theoretical value. Again, if just like precision, if you are within maybe 0 to 6%, that is accurate. If you're between about 6 to 11%, then you're becoming somewhat accurate. And if you're pretty much anywhere larger than 11%, that's not accurate. Why is this important? Well, you're going to start showing it in your criteria C. So first off, you're going to have to find out that slope, create your accuracy. You got to know if you're accurate or not. Next up, you're going to go to criterion C, scrolling down. We wait for it to load. You're going to start adding these things through. Now you can finally answer all the questions having to do with accurate. So do you think the data you collected was accurate? At this point, you can say, yes, I believe my data was accurate. Or I should even say, yes, the data was accurate, because we shouldn't use words like I. Next up, it says, explain your answer to question 11. Can you give a scientific explanation? Well, guess what? You've even done one better. You want to talk about the equations you've used to find out that you know it's accurate or not. So you want to put that information here. That's your data. Moving on, is there anything else for data? Well, I can press Command F if I've got my Mac, or Control F if I've got my PC, and it says find in document. I can actually just start searching. Accurate. There's 4 times accurate pops up. So I see it one time right here whenever I first saw that one. All right, do you think the data you collected was accurate? I already answered that. Moving on. Methods. Give a detailed and accurate description. Hold on, they're just using this as a term to express your description. Okay, that's fine. Explain how your results could be more accurate or precise. All right, well, this has to do with evaluation. That's our next video. And lastly, this also has to do with our next video. So answer the 2 questions here and here. And at this point, once you've done that, you can move on to the next video.